Hello, and welcome to this short video on how to create self-maintaining tests with Virtuoso. Virtuoso tests are self-healing. This means that they're able to maintain themselves, and this is being done by remapping elements and repairing the tests automatically. For this example, we'll be using the Rocket Shop website and selecting a t-shirt. So we can copy the URL. We'll create a goal. So the goal is managing your earlier testing scope. And we can give the goal a name. So we'll call this Rocket Shop Buy T-shirt. And then we can give it a starting URL. We can pick different resolutions to test out, but we'll say create and add journey and pick the default resolution. Next, we'll add a checkpoint. So a checkpoint is really your test case. So we'll say select t-shirt. And now let's walk through that simple process of selecting a t-shirt from the website. So the first one is let's click on t-shirts. Then we're going to pick the t-shirt with a landing page logo. And here we can say click on landing page. Next we'll choose a color, and for the example we're going to choose red. Again we'll say click red. Now we'll say add to bag, and we'll say click on the shopping bag. So let's add these two steps back into the test case. So click add to bag, and finally click on shopping bag. Now we've completed this simple journey through natural language, and if we click on one of the properties, you can see for the red color it's action type of click. This is the element we're going to be working with, and this is going to be based on the hint provided. You can actually add more hints if you wanted to, from different element types, even choosing different action types for that element, and even position as well. So we're not going to do any of that for this, but you can actually add more deterministic selectors as well. So we'll close the properties. We'll commit this back into the system and execute this journey. Now if you go over to the dashboard, you can see the journey and as it's executing. So that journey is completed. Now if you click into there, you'll go to the results view. And from the results view, you can change the layout view, and you can see all the screenshots for every single page and step that we walk through. What you'll also notice that every element has this healed step. And if you click back into the test case, you can see that it's automatically populated the element structure, Xpaths, CSS, Xpath ID, all based on the hint intelligently. Now what we can do is say forget the element and delete all these selectors. Commit it back into the system and re-execute the journey. Again, go back to the dashboard. What you can see now, the journey is actually executed. It's actually speeded up by double. Now go back into the results view. You can see that only the one step, which is the red one we changed, has been automatically healed again. So if you look back at the test step, you can see the element structure is back and all the information regarding the Xpath, Xpath ID, CSS, and everything's back as it was. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please email us at info@spotqa.com or visit us at www.spotqa.com/virtuoso. Thank you.